Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, big up yourself. Big up yourself.
One thing, you see, when you fuck with people, the people them start calling and confiding me, say, oh, Sasha, give here blood clot trouble. Them say she in the group chat and start one bag of bangarang. And true, them never want alter them, just left her alone. Them left her alone. Why you not tell the people, say, you been walking and begging? You been walking and begging. My friend, you fuck when me I say, what? Me I ask the people them if them retarded. So why not did I give this girl money? You been walking and begging. So through your ear, Bobby D lend out 15 grand to somebody now. And you feel like Sasha never did a give you the money, you start blood clot style. And that's why I say sometimes when you're in a lion mode, you take it out slow. The same way blood clot, Alric did send you the 1350 and you turn on and style him. Hey Sasha, hey, I want you go, you know. I want you leave us alone. I want you think you can bully nobody and tell them about take down post, big pussy girl, but you never in a mix up. Right now, you're the biggest blood clot mix up, because soon as somebody call your name or say something to you, ready for pick up phone and call down the nation and record and have other people on line. Hey, me no look for only, you know. Me tell you from the first time I see you, I talk about, oh, Melo, I'm a friend, me never have nothing with blood clot, you know, fuck out, big pussy little girl, you know. Because one thing, me in a bangarang, you see the little company where Melo keep, some of them me can't keep, some of them couldn't blood clot talk to me. I keep little waste matters around me. You see the little fuck out people when I bomber clot children and walk and beg and can't situate to the life. Me no feel sorry for none of no blood clot. Cause if I pit them have me have to find a way. Me could I never sit down and a pitney and a suffer and a fuck man for blood clot free. On a fuck dear ear every blood clot wear and I have nothing for sure. On not even have a proper bomber clot bed for sleeping a proper couch to poop up in a. Me and Uno is not the same. Hey, bun me when me see people when I have fitness suffer, you know. It don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. It bun me if you know say you're not on a blood clot pitney and on a struggle. That don't make no sense. When me never on a blood clot pitney, I want to tell you say I make some blood clot decision in a life or set me for pussy clot life. Me make some decision where set me for life. Me do some things where, yeah. Let me see how it go now. Me do some things where set me for blood clot life. You know when I on a blood clot pitney and walk around and I beg people, are people who have responsibility, people who have children, I take up their money and give you, not just careless and worthless, you fuck. But you gone down a police station for report bomber clot people about pussy picture where everybody blood clot see. Them said the pussy picture where Melo did show and bug. You send it to about 10 other blood clot people see that picture long blood clot time. Come talk to me. Sasha, one thing with me, you know. You see me? I'm well respected on the gram. I told y'all bitches, I don't go in your business, nigga. Niggas invite me in your motherfucking business. I want to her. And God is that's what you're supposed to blood clot though. If my mother alive and she said, Mo, come over here so me need help. And if me can and come here so I help me, I gotta help my blood clot mother cause that's why I'm here today. What the fuck do her? What the fuck do her? We don't give a fuck. She could have called Bannick name till she weak. Tell her that's all blood clot news. Least your name still a call upon one fucking man. And that chef, you know. I feel her pussy. Right now she go run and she need to tell the world she run and go fuck Bannick son. And I'll know him fuck her upon bomber clot floor and no look back upon her. Oh, it feel for no some man fuck you and no call back. Hey, me never experienced them something there. More time when me wanna move the blood clot man, them me have to go in the house blood clot arrest and hide from them. And when them find me them in them feelings and I go on away, move your blood clot. Right now your name one and blood clot move. Everybody use and abuse if you show up your pussy and you just a cry about oh and this and that and those are my pictures. Why you never tell the people them say I tell you say a long time you know certain things really in a dirty girl. I just keep mutual because I seen you as this broken ass individual who might need a little upliftment, might need a little help, might need a little guidance. But every time I talk to you, I notice say you do the same thing and you're a little fuck out. You're just a fuck out. You might as well go and sell pussy and call it a day. It's okay, bitch. You over there talk pure fuckery. You love to about, oh, I'm not a mix-up person. Sasha, who in a more mix-up than blood clot you? Who in a mix-up more than you? Everybody can say them see your pussy. It here, there, every blood clot where. How can you say a man try to R-word you, right? When there's pictures of you out, sitting on this man I feel you, dance with you, joke you, rub up your titty then, rub up your breast. There's a old picture. Hey, somebody send me the blood clot picture. Cause I know so not hear me. Why don't you send me the picture? Why don't you send me the blood clot picture? Again, it in my DM. Somebody did send it to me. I'm gonna keep up with them things. Like I'm gonna give a fuck. But to battle when me not like blood clot JR. Me see you sit down on the man lap on him hand on your pussy. Oh, you gonna turn around and talk about this man R-word you because you didn't want to fuck the other person. Huh? Listen to the part where she called and said, Daddy, Daddy. You know, they're saying that you R-word me. Watch me on our blood clot today. I got in deal with our case. You know, say somebody, good morning, goddess. You know, say somebody called me yesterday and I don't usually take call. The world knows I'm not take call through yes, so but through the person is not a mix up person. And them call me and I say, all right, I'm going to answer the blood clot phone. And when the person that tell me some tragedies, what's going on, you've been going on with this shit for a long time, Sasha. So I'm going to leave this right here, sir. I'm going to make the people them tell you. The people, all gal you call people and people are pay your bills at regular time. So all this time you're on live. Want Starburst and I brag, but you have money and you have this and this and that. Why you never tell the people them I say you walk around and beg and I depend on people and people are pay your bills them for you. All care note and them blood clot something there. Why you never tell me say everywhere your blood clot go all in a group chat here and there everywhere you get bomber clot trouble? Why you never tell me, Sasha? Then the day I remember say when you say your stepfather come on the live and say, Daddy, you remember that they're saying that Gifted is saying you R-word me. And the man said, where you talk about? Where you talk about? No, she was like, not you. Not you. Hey Mo, the girl get in a hotel room by a man that has been giving her money to. You're lucky somebody tell me say them used to pay her blood clot car payment and them back broad. And that them say Sasha everywhere she blood clot go she walk and do peer blood clot mix up and I never know. But when we see you are called report people live now when I talk about crosses TV and them something about take you down and you not in a mix up. Sasha, you not every blood clot mix up. Sasha, you in a every blood clot mix up cause we're not afraid. Remember say I pay badness back at this. Sasha, you are in every bomber clot mix up. Right now, the time you are worried about mix up, you need to worry about your pom pom. And your pom pom you need to worry about. Is your pom pom and you tell peer blood clot lie about Daddy, why the people that I'm gifted is telling people I hear you know no? But why them would have said that? Here, no, I was talking about Uncle so and so. Hear the stepdad, father, whatever the fuck him is. Hear him now? But where you talk about Uncle something, him never do that. So where you talk about, hey, you's a liar, wicked girl. You see you need to go check yourself in at the nearest hospital. You's a wicked little girl, me tell you that. Then, oh, you go say, I don't mean I like blood clot, JR. Cause one thing with me, I don't mean I like people, I have to be split blood clot justice. How the fuck you have a man where I feel you up? There's pictures out here, cause people did send me the picture where you skin up on him, have him hand on your pussy and one on your blood clot breast. And you smile with your legs them open. Why you want to use that word upon the man? You are a sick ass individual. You need help, Dr. Sasha. Gonna rinse it to the blood clot ground. And you talk about F Momo. You need to go sit down and wonder what. Jesus Christ. All right now, it all hit me. Say the man say your pussy no good to bomber clot. Sasha, why you have man out here fuck you say your pussy no good? You not a pitney. Nothing no pass through your front. You know say your front rub out and done out. What the fuck let me take me not even I know you're tan already. You know see your front rub out and done out. That makes sense? Eh? The people them say you walk and beg and them feel sorry for you. And that them say you did in a group chat over D squad bitch and I get peer problem. Them say you come in at the group. That's why I come by the page. The thing say you have like a status because you in a group chat. So when I come over the day, you try rush blood clot me as a blood clot mad girl. You retarded? Sasha, one thing about this girl, I'm walking around and I hear everybody a blood clot tell you. You know, say everybody I tell you yesterday, unblock Momo, unblock Momo, unblock Momo, say can't blood clot stay over there in a piece. You know, you never know. You never know, say me the original blood clot bring down in our community. Eh? It fuck out. How it go? Hey, let me tell you something. You say any day when you scream F Momo, go and ask everybody if they ever beg them nothing yet. Ask them if they ever pay a blood clot mortgage payment, if they ever pay a rent payment, if they ever pay a car payment, if they ever give me no money for buy something from a blood clot pitney them, if they ever put food in them a blood clot fridge, them say, so you walk and beg pussy all. Oh, but of course our pum pum a go smell like that. Me tell you, some look pon Sasha, you can tell say Sasha front stink. You can tell say Sasha mouth stink, her front stink. Fuck the mouth. Because just by the way she talk, you can tell say she a wipe from back to blood clot front. You can tell say she fuck down the place. You understand? You understand what me I say? Then the other day when Gifted all I say you did I want to go sell front for the 60-40. That's one thing, you know, so me say sometimes I'm telling you say Gifted not tell blood clot lie, you know. But tell her no say sometimes she mix up a little thing when she go and she just draw the storyline and go on. But sometimes I can't take the long story. I say Gifted, stop this fuckery now. But the girl never did a lie when she say, I call her and say you have money, blood clot problem. And when she ball it out, hey, oh, me have job. And me I say bad to bad, me always say there blood clot work. So how it go? Oh, you know a pitney and I run down everybody for money. Oh, you want first, second, and third and I fuck down the place. So you want people to give you for them hard working blood clot money while you are fuck for blood clot free. That makes sense, big pussy girl. Me say listen to me, goddess. More time when you see a person chat and cuss everybody and in a mix up only for blood clot, run them. The other day, anytime you want, oh, I'm a rape victim, you love ball that out. You have people that are really victims. They don't do certain things. You're like a grown-ass bitch now. So you're not supposed to sit down and go to therapy and find out what it is, why you keep having these promiscuous behaviors and using that word so loosely. Why you going around using that word so loosely? Oh, it got dirty fuck out, Sasha. Eh? Big pussy girl. Me tell you, say, yo. Yo, right now, if my mother did a lifestyle burst, I could have lived with my mother would have lived right in a blood clot house with bomber clot me. I want to them gal, yeah. True them not brought up in love. True them not no mother for blood clot call. That's why them love talk shit. Why you go to brown goddess house and you stink? Why you go to goddess house and you never blood clot beard? You know what it is? You fuck too much different man. When too much man coming on a hole and start smell all type of weird. You start get blood clot BV. And you start, your pussy start drip.